everyone, I am Ankita and welcome to our channel Quality Zone Infotech. If you are new to our channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give it a like. In this video, we will be talking about SEO services. Before we start the topic, let us discuss how can an SEO service provider company in Noida help small scale industries. For any small or local business looking to stay afloat, search engine visibility is a must. Running paid ads is a great way to get immediate visibility and highly targeted traffic. But it's crucial that you are working on your long-term organic visibility as well. The problem is search engine optimization, SEO, is a complex marketing strategy that requires consistent effort over time. Now, let me discuss what is small business SEO. Before we get into the types of services an SEO agency provides, let's first make sure you have a firm understanding of what SEO is. Many business owners see search engine optimization as an enigma that only those with inside knowledge can solve. Yes, an SEO service company will have the inside knowledge that you don't have, but knowing the basics is a must. It can be broken down into simpler concepts. Number one, even though you are optimizing for search engines build their ranking algorithms around user behavior as they aim to be the most trusted source of information out there. What this means is, at the end of the day, you are really just optimizing for search engine users, people just like you. Number two, SEO isn't just one tactic, but a combination of efforts that work in tandem to help search engines like Google find your business website, identify it as trustworthy, organize the information you are publishing on it, and present it to the users searching for it. Now, let me discuss why should you hire an SEO service company. Number one, SEO is complex. Even though I have just simplified it into its core components above, this does not make SEO any less complex. And yes, small business SEO doesn't make it any smaller than big business SEO. As mentioned above, SEO is a set of practices that work synergistically to gain exposure on local search engine results pages. You may be able to do the bare SEO basics, but if you can't do all the tactics, your efforts may not move the needle and your time will end up being wasted. Number two, SEO requires ongoing work. SEO is not a one and done marketing strategy. There are some one-time optimizations you can perform that require little and no maintenance. But real SEO is a constant work in progress. It involves, number one, publishing fresh high-quality content regularly. Number two, updating existing pages constantly for accuracy. Number three, going back in old pages and adding links to new pages. Number four, promoting content through other channels like social media and email. Point number three, SEO is a moving target. As we covered in the engine section of our SEO intro above, Google uses a complex algorithm that takes into account various ranking factors to determine the quality, relevancy, and accuracy of a page. We know a good chunk of those ranking factors, but not all of them. Plus, Google is always evolving its algorithm. A small business SEO service can stay on top of these algorithm updates and adjust this strategy accordingly. Number four, knowledge and tools. Free keyword tools are great to use when creating content and doing the SEO work you can do. SEO tools and service subscriptions are also helpful, but you have to learn how to get the most out of each of them. A professional service provider of SEO is equipped with the knowledge of best tools and the knowledge in search, which when combined can give you big competition over your competitors. Now let me discuss what are the benefits of using a website SEO service. So we can see how much work an SEO partner can remove from your small business marketing to-do list. But let's talk about what you gain in return. Number 1, stay focused on growth. As mentioned above, SEO takes a lot of time, not just each individual tactic, but also performing ongoing maintenance and staying on top of Google's updates. By hiring a website SEO provider, you no longer have to go down the rabbit hole of meta tag how-tos, SEO audits, unless you want to, and Google updates. This means you have more time to focus on other aspects of your business, like growing your offerings or clientele. Number 2, see quicker success. SEO efforts can take weeks and even months to show in forms of website traffic and more customers. So while I think that learning the hard way is often the best way, SEO's long turnaround time makes it the most fun place for trial and error. A small business SEO provides the combined years of experience among its specialists to be able to quickly identify wins and errors that you might otherwise take you years and precious brain cells to achieve on your own. Plus, there are plenty of other aspects of your business that I'm sure you are already learning the hard way. Number 3, understand your data. The more quickly you can ramp up your website traffic, the better, because the more meaningful data you will have to work with. But what data is meaningful? How can you make sense of it at all? This is another benefit of using a small business SEO service. They can take a look at your website traffic and glean key insights to inform your small business goals. They can help you to see which pages get the most visits, which calls to action are most effective, which landing pages convert highest, and the demographic profile of your target audience. These insights will inform your content strategy moving forward and help your SEO provide to refine its efforts down to only those that are worth your money. Number 4, activate your marketing flywheel. Getting started with SEO can be slow, but good SEO tactics employed by a solid SEO company eventually creates a cycle that reinforces itself. When your website rank improves, more visitors will find your pages in higher search results. With more visitors arriving improves, more visitors will find your pages and they will rank it higher. With high rank and wider exposure and at staying on your pages, you will rank the best. This increases your domain authority and credibility, which further improves your website rank, and so on. Google says that the more effectively you reach your audience, the best point you are at. Number 5, generate more sales. When SEO is done right, you not only see more visitors to your website, but more qualified visitors. Since search engines return results to users who are actively searching for a particular term or phrase, getting to the top of that stack means you have been providing information to the people who want it most when they want it. This means that the people arriving at your site through search are interested in buying and more likely to convert. Now let me discuss what will an SEO services company do. If at this point you know the basics of SEO, but if you are thinking of hiring an SEO services company for your business, you may be wondering exactly what they will do. In this section, we will take a bit of deeper dive into their tactics so you can form a more accurate picture in your head. Number 1, on-page SEO. The on-page efforts that an SEO services company does are focused on the crawlability and usability of the pages on your website. They will make optimizations to the parts of your website that get seen by the public and get read by search engines. This includes content. They will make sure the content of your pages is relevant to the keywords you are trying to rank for and that the content is useful and of high quality. Number 2, experience. They will use website analytics to identify how engaging a page is and provide recommendations for improvement from a user experience standpoint. Number 3, metadata. They'll make sure each of the pages is complete with title tags, headers, image tags, meta descriptions that contain keywords being targeted. Off-page SEO. A good SEO services company will employ various efforts and off-page SEO practices which involve your site's backend elements. They will help you with site performance. This involves page load speed, responsiveness, renders, and functions properly on any device or screen size and image size. Backlinks. They will help you build links to your site from other trusted sites. Number 3. Domain authority. They will make sure you are consistently building trust with Google. Quality Zone Infotech SEO company in Delhi is a young group of SEO professionals, web promoters and designers who are dedicated and they deliver what they promise. Our SEO group has an enormous web page improving background and has rated several sites across diverse markets. In case you are hunting down a best SEO service provider company in Delhi to generate your prospective people to your web page, then you have arrived in the right spot. It's imperative to have an organization like Quality Zone Infotech on your site that is more familiar with your area and location. Organic visitors will carry great deal of visitors your website in just few months. We concentrate on performing best industry and keyword research and opponent research that suits your company, on-page and off-page optimization and link building to position you on top. We don't stop until we get you to the top. The more individuals we generate to your website, the more deals you will get. We give important outcomes by enhancing visitors and ROI for all of our customers. The different SEO packages that we offer are as follows. The trial package. One-page website, 5 keywords optimization, website analysis, keyword research, on-page optimization, title tag optimization, meta tags optimization, content optimization, page speed optimization, HTML code optimization, internal linking optimization, heading tags optimization, canonicalization or 301 redirect, web page load optimization, images optimization, hyperlink optimization, robots.txt creation optimization, sitemap creation, Google Webmaster Tool setup, Google Analytics setup and integration, content marketing and link building, 2 blogs posting, search engine submission, 4 blog posting links, 10 blog social bookmarking links, 20 social media book marketing, social media marketing, 3 unique social media posting, contract of minimum 6 months. The basic package. 10 keywords optimization, website analysis, keyword research, on-page, title tags, meta tags, content, page speed, HTML code, internal linking, heading tags, optimization, web page load optimization, 301 redirect or canonicalization, images, hyperlink, sitemap creation, Google Webmaster Tool setup, Google Analytics setup and integration, content marketing, link building, search engine submission, 2 blogs posting, 4 blog posting links, 10 blog social media marketing links, 20 social bookmarking, 3 unique bookmarking social media posting, contract of minimum 6 months, monthly ranking report. The starter package. 20 keywords, website analysis, keyword research, on-page, title tags, meta tags, content, page speed, HTML code, internal linking, heading tags, canonicalization on 301 redirect, web page load optimization, images optimization, hyperlink optimization, robots.txt creation, optimization, sitemap creation, Google Webmaster Tool setup, Google Analytics setup and integration, content marketing and link building, search engine submissions, 5 blog posting, 10 blogs posting links, 15 blog social bookmarking links, 50 social bookmarking, Twitter account setup, Google Plus account setup, Facebook page setup, 10 unique social media posting, monthly rank report, contract of minimum 6 months. The last package, which is the platinum package. 45 keywords optimization, website analysis, keyword research, on-page, title tags, meta tags, content, page speed, HTML code, internal linking, heading tags, web page, images, hyperlink optimization, canonicalization on 300 redirect, sitemap creation, Google Webmaster Tool setup, Google Analytics setup and integration, content marketing and link building, search engine submissions, 10 blogs posting, 15 blog posting links, 20 blogs posting, social bookmarking links, social media marketing, 100 social bookmarking, Twitter account setup, Google account setup, Facebook page setup, 15 unique social media posting, monthly report and contract of minimum 6 months. You can check out these packages on our website with the detailed information, and the link for the same is provided in the description box below. If you have any query, feel free to reach out to us on our social media handles like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn and Instagram. Check out the description of our video for the links of the same. What are you waiting for? Go head on to our website and check them. Thank you for watching the video.